like big bathrooms and I cannot lie. You other RVers can't deny. When my girl walks into a little bit of space. Are you filming? Okay, awesome. Kevin, here we go. Folks, this is the 2021 Forest River Sabre 37FBT. We are in RVs with big bathrooms, and as apparently you just caught me singing my awesome little song, this one is no exception, folks. We have a huge bathroom. Let's actually start up here. So one of the great things about front baths is that a lot of them will have a bath and a half floor plan, and this is where it's at. There's a lot of reasons I love a front bath. One, of course, you get all this space to get changed. If you want a good space, right, it's right off the bedroom. You come right in. It's kind of like a master ensuite that you would have in your home. You're able to get changed, do your thing. You have plenty of wardrobe space. It's already built in, right? Very common for fifth wheels to have wardrobe in the front. But here it is. So you can just grab your clothes, get changed, good to go, step out of the shower. It's exactly what you would want. Again, kind of a similar setup to what you would have at home. The other thing I love is oftentimes up front, you also get washer dryer prep. So your washer and dryer are close to the bedroom, so it's easy to do laundry, but it's still out of the way, and it's not taking up, any extra wardrobe space. And if you don't want washer and dryer, because for the record, folks, not everyone does have washer dryer in their unit, even though the prep's in there. So manufacturers put in these big shelves, so you still get a ton of extra storage in there, which is fantastic. Another reason I love it is all the extra space. So the reason I say that is actually my in-laws have a front bathroom fifth wheel. And one of the things we oftentimes use it for, at least, when my 5-year-old was a little bit younger, and now, for my 1-year-old, but we have a pack and play. And a lot of times you just don't have a spot to put it in an RV, right? Especially during the day for nap time. At night, yeah, no problem. You can, drop down the dinette, throw it up on top of there. As long as they're not crawling up and out, you're good. But during daytime for naps, what we'd do is we'd put a pack and play right in here because you have the space for it. Right? Then you can plug a little baby monitor in, and then you can be outside. You can sit out at the picnic table, maybe enjoying a cocktail, having a snack, whatever it may be, and then everyone's in here resting peacefully, but it gives you that additional space, which is awesome. You also see the shower, right? Nice big shower in here. I mean, I'm 6 foot tall, especially with that skylight, folks. I can be the 6'4" and still be able to shower in here, no problem. I can be Chris Young height, and I can still shower in here even without the skylight, which is awesome. Big old shelves here. You have a seat. The nice thing I like about this seat is for me, it's on the appropriate side. It's over here. So if you actually want to sit and shower, well, now I can do it, right? I can grab the hand wand, just making life a little bit easy. It's cold. Things are cracking a little bit. But, just making life easy. The other thing is that if you want something to shave your legs, right, you can put your foot up there, shave your legs, making life a little easier on you. And across the way here, above that countertop, is beautiful storage. Nice big medicine cabinet in there. Ton of storage all the way across. More all the way down underneath. Couple big drawers here as well. Lots of countertop space. Dual vanity. That's a huge one, folks. I can't tell you how many times I'll shave my beard and my wife is yelling at me because there's hair all over the countertop and all over the sink. Well, now it's my sink, right? She can keep her side a little bit cleaner. I'll keep mine what I think is clean. I swear, I clean it up. I do. It's not like I'm a dirt ball. I clean it all up, but somehow there's just miraculously hairs that still show up. Anyway, having a dual vanity is an awesome thing. I have it at home. I'm sure a lot of you do too. And as a lot of you can probably attest, it can definitely be a marriage saver, especially when you're in, under 400 square foot of space. Making our way into the bedroom. So you have a slide out bed here, plenty of bed space. You're not going to elbow each other, which is great. You have that shiplap wall board there. Windows on both sides for cross ventilation, plus a window up top just to help bring in some natural light. And I like that too. Makes this bedroom a beautiful, bright space. Another really cool thing, check out the storage up here, folks. Huge storage right there, which is, good for some of those items that maybe you don't have to get a ton because, it's a little awkward, I guess, to get to this space, but I love that they didn't waste it and they put something up there for you. AC here in the bedroom, of course, that will tie into the other AC. Everything will be ducted, making sure everything will stay nice and cool. TV hookup right there, right above your chest of drawers. So if you want TV in the bedroom, you'll be good to go. Of course, you have electrical outlets, USB ports on both sides of the bed there too, in case you need to plug anything in. Making our way down the steps, you might think, well, what did we have, that extra space up top for? What's underneath it? Well, you're about to find out. Step on in here with me. And you will see, I want to start singing Willy Wonka. Come with me and you'll see A bathroom full of imagination. Anyway, you step right in here. This is your half bath. You have the toilet. You know, plenty of space. When I shut the door, I'm good. Good shoulder space, good leg space. Opening up our storage. You know, you have room for your hand towels, extra toilet paper, black tank chemical, anything else you need in there. Of course, you have your faucet right there, so you can wash your hands in here. Very important, folks. Make sure you wash your hands, please. A little bit of storage there underneath. And then you have a window again here to let in natural light. That went out. One thing you will notice, I'm just putting this out there, because we have storage up top, there is no vent fan. So if you're doing number twos in here, window, it opens. Very important. Key note there. But the other thing I do like about it is that the fact it's right across from the entryway. So if you need to use the bathroom, you can just come right in, do your business, and head right back out. And this is the only spot that's getting dirty. You're not bringing dirt in through the other, you know, the entire camper. You're not bringing dirt up into the bedroom. Super simple and easy to get to. Now, the other cool thing about this front bath is they kind of changed things up a little bit because it is a rear kitchen mid-living front bath. And so it's combining so many great things in this floor plan, which is why I love it so much. You have the huge bathroom space, you get tons of countertop space, we'll see in a second, and you get a mid-living that resembles a front living room fifth wheel. So you can see here, we have opposing slides in this main living area with sofas on both, as well as theater seating right here in the back. So everyone can be, you know, right in the middle of the RV, everyone can be talking, having a great time, and a massive TV right there that everyone is able to see no matter where you're sitting in this back, or if you're back in the kitchen prepping food, you're still able to get a good view to that TV. Of course, multimedia center as you would expect, and the fireplace right down underneath. Now, there is a little bit of storage up top, a little tricky to get to. You'll want a step stool, but it is there. And I also want to point out the speakers. Take a look at that. You have some upgraded speakers in here, which are awesome, so that, you know, if you want some good sound quality, whether you're watching TV or listening to music, you have that available. But again, I love this mid-living room feel, especially with that big front bath. Now, as far as a place to eat, you have freestanding table and chairs, can simply fit 4 people around here, no issues whatsoever. Zebra shades all the way around to let in the amount of light you want to let in. And when you come to the very back, take a look at this big, beautiful kitchen here in the back, Kev. So, you know, a lot of times this would be a rear kitchen floor plan. You know, they wouldn't have that front bath on there. And so the big advantage of a rear kitchen is this right here, all of this extra countertop space you get. You'll see the high-rise industrial style faucet, the apron front sink. It's kind of like that new black stainless steel that we've seen, you know, very hot in the residential side right now. And the storage all the way around, right underneath. You have storage over here. You have a bank of drawers, you know, 3 nice full extension ball bearing drawers for everything you need to put in there. Storage all the way across the top, and you even get a big pantry. So one of the reasons I just absolutely love this 37FBT is because, again, most of the time what is in the back of your RV is the main feature, right? And this one would be a rear kitchen. But you also get an awesome living room with that mid-living, and you get the huge front bath, which for this one is probably the main feature of it. And so there's just so many things that I absolutely love in this one, and I think they knocked it out of the park. Again, so storage all the way across the top, microwave here. I do want to point out that you have a residential refrigerator here as well. And so you'll see that this one is not currently on because we don't have it plugged into shore power. Now, it does have an inverter dedicated just for this fridge, so as you're going down the road, everything will stay nice and cool in there. But, you know, this one being almost 43 foot long, they didn't intend to have you do a ton of boondocking, and with a 43-foot rig, I wouldn't want to do much either. So they put in a residential refrigerator so it cools down nice and quick. You get the extra cold storage. You still have big tanks on here. You're looking at 49-gallon fresh, 76 gray, and 76 black. So nice big tanks. Now, folks, we're going to go take a look at the outside, but if the inside is enough to convince you with this RV, which for a lot of people, I know it will be, all you have to do is text the word RV to 46642, and that will get you the special show pricing on this one, which is starting at under $54,000, folks. That's under 13 bucks a day for all of this. You want to talk about a great rig for a great price, this is the one. Now, if you love this setup, maybe you want some different features, maybe you're not in love with the wood color, you want something else, we do have some other manufacturers that have a similar floor plan available, so if you're interested in one of those, you just want to see what else is out there before you pull the trigger, not a problem at all. Text the word FRESH to 46642, and that'll give you access to over 100,000 pieces of inventory we have here on the lot and on order. And again, we'll help navigate you through to make sure you find the perfect front bath, rear kitchen, mid-living, fifth wheel for you. Let's head outside, take a look at some of the extra features here. Nice solid steps, folks. I absolutely love these. The More Ride step above step system. Now, because this is a Sabre, you'll see they actually had that kind of engraved right there in the plate or cut out, which is kind of a nice little feature. But aluminum treads, they aren't going to rust. You have the grip tape, extra big grab handle there, so you have great control when entering or exiting the RV. One of my favorite parts, though, is right up here. In this one, where you have a rear kitchen, mid-living, front bath, they still were able to give you an outside kitchen. So you have your little wash basin right here, your sink. You'll see a fridge. I know what I'm using this for. You know, it may be different for you, but this one's not built for kiddos, so there's not going to be much juice in here unless it's getting mixed with vodka, if you catch my drift. But more than likely, I'll have a couple beers in there. I love the fact it's nice and easy to access, even if it's condiments, right? You know, even if you're not a drinker, great, that's awesome. You can fill that up with ketchup, relish, mustard, whatever else. You're out here making hot dogs, hamburgers over the fire. Maybe you hook your grill up. There's a propane quick connector right here, so you can hook your favorite grill up right there, whatever you want to use. Grab those condiments, start making all sorts of delicious food. Coming up front, just want to show you a couple other things here. Mainly this one. So if you take a look, this right here is that inverter I was talking about, pure sine wave inverter that is dedicated to the refrigerator. And right over to this side, folks, this one also has auto level. Again, for the price you're looking at, starting at under $54,000, you're getting all that inside, plus you're getting auto level with the touch of a button. This bad puppy's gonna level itself out. As I said, folks, if this is the one for you, text that word RV to 46642. This is the 2021 Forest River Sabre 37FBT. And if you already got a deal on this one and somehow they made it under 54K, which I know they didn't, but if they did, if you got a better deal, all you have to do is text the word BEAT to BEAT. And if we can't beat it, we'll give you $1,000.